Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ACER Iconia P11 Pro, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find passwords and accounts. Then let's tap on Add Account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. Here we have to decide who's going to use this device, so just mark the option and wait. Here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me quickly do it. And tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on Next. So here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course you can tap on them to learn more, and then tap on I agree after reading. So here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on Accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again and it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.